millions of fragments gathering into a steady stream. Vibrant colors preparing to enter the purification cycle. Spreading everything evenly, ready for the first cleansing step.
Sweeping away surface dust, preparing to plunge into the giant bath.
Removing all impurities with a powerful hydraulic flow.
Maximum pressure erases the final flaws.
Not stopping yet. A water shield ensures maximum purity. Evaporation, completely removing moisture before entering the thermal chamber.
Stepping through the heated tunnel, the structure awaits transformation.
Forced cooling system locks the material bonds.
Second branch initiates. An ocean blue ink swallows the burnt orange base.
The machine operates relentlessly, transforming the original shapes.
Industrial steel blades perfectly processing everything into thousands of thin flakes. A new form appears, perfectly uniform polymer flakes. The colorful stream heads straight into the second intensive washing chamber.
Centrifugal force washes away the final dust, ensuring absolute purity. Scooping them up. Shiny layers of flakes cling to the mesh, leaving the water. Vibrating to evaporate the last drop of water. Preparing for the next processing stage. Welcome to the heart of the factory. The super thermal reactor is waiting. Pushing straight into the thermal chamber. Temperatures skyrocket to melting point. The magical screw churns. Pressure squeezes out the original solid state. Structural collapse. Everything dissolves, blending into a boiling, melted liquid. Absolutely beautiful. The golden lava stream glides like silk, gathering in a giant vat. The secret formula is about to be added. Kneading. The rotating axis tears the liquid membrane, blending evenly.
Injecting vitality. A crimson rain descends into the orange ocean.
Blowing away excess heat, absolutely solidifying the outer shell.
Flawless. The reborn material carries a proud hue. Second branch initiates. An ocean blue ink swallows the burnt orange base.
Rolling endlessly, shaping the perfect plasticity of the deep blue.
Blended into one, ready for the journey of eternal shaping.
Two streams converge. A concentrated mass of material flows endlessly. Command executed. The shaping printer injects every drop into the creation cavity. Spreading and filling. The magical liquid embraces every mechanical groove. The crimson version is in position. The giant syringe delivers the raw stream. A still red lake hugs the mechanical borders. Flawless perfection. Sweeping along the design contours. Every millimeter is strictly calculated. An entire fiery legion marches down the shaping conveyor. Thousands of tons of pressure. The steel jaws are ready to close the gap. Contained and molded. The flexible material is squeezed tightly into the curved chair shape. Thermal shock wash, instantly freezing the polymer structure inside the core. Breaking out. The perfect result is revealed in a magical mist.
A flawless ergonomic masterpiece, achieving ultimate smoothness.
Freed from the iron pedestal. Each super product prepares for cooling.
An entire fleet of chairs lands. The intense heat has yet to fade. Vibrant blue intertwining with deep red. The masterpieces have formed a solid shape,
Blowing away excess heat, absolutely solidifying the outer shell.
a final cool bath. Pure water polishes the brilliant shine.
A cold fog envelops, permanently securing a weather-resistant structure. Multi-dimensional scanning. Artificial intelligence inspects every tiny curve, passing all strict standards. A durable, proudly shining shell. A brilliant, orderly army marches toward the final gathering point. A perfect achievement. The pillars of rebirth stand tall and majestic. From discarded fragments, they transform into enduring vitality.
Hundreds of thousands of ergonomic marvels ready to conquer any space. A perfect loop. Waste ends, and an era of smart utilization begins.
A flawless resurrection, honoring industrial beauty and sustainable thinking.
This is the definition of rebirth, the new peak of future materials, forever durable.